Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem on Valorant. It's easy if you want to fix it. First type here comment, right click on it and then click run as administrator and then click yes. After that type this comment here, niche when sock resets. After that click enter and then type after that ipconfig space slash flash DNS and click enter, and now after that close it, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC try to launch Valorant as administrator. If that doesn't fix your problem, all you need to do just click here Windows security and then go to virus and threat protection and then go to manage settings, scroll down until you find exclusions, click add or remove exclusions and then click yes, and after that click add an exclusion, go to file and here you need to find Riot Games folder, click on it and then Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Win64 and scroll down until you find here Valorant Win64 shipping, click on it and click open. And that's it. After that just restart your PC and try again and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.